Is WoW Internet down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with WoW Internet right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. If you try to go to Twitter and if you search for WoW down and then if you go to latest, you will see some comments from people who have issues with it. As you can see here, people are commenting non-stop, so this is a worldwide problem. You are not the only one who has problems with WoW right now, so you don't have to worry about it. To fix it, you should try to restart your device and mostly you just have to wait until they fix this problem. So if you do have issues with it, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about it, your question, if it's still down, if it's working right now, what specific problems do you have. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic, so you can turn on the notification bell so you can receive a notification once we post another update. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.